take it real slow.
The Porta Nuova of Palermo, adjacent to the Palazzo dei Normanni, has been for centuries the most important access to Palermo by land. Rebuilt with current forms at the end of the year 600, has two different facades, one facing the city center and the other oriented towards Monreale. The door is decorated with many friezes, and above the arch rises a Renaissance-style loggia with roof covered with colored majolica in which the figure of the eagle emerges, symbol of the city.
Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, you know.
The Norman Palace, also known as the Royal Palace, is located in Palermo and is the oldest royal residence in Europe. Built around the 10th century by the Arab emirs, it was conceived as a fortress and residence of exceptional sumptuousness and refinement by the Norman kings. Currently, it is the seat of the Sicilian Regional Assembly and it is the seat of the Sicilian Parliament, which is the oldest in Europe, having been established by King Roger in 1140. The monumental complex includes the splendid Palatine Chapel, the Sala d'Ercole, the Sala del Duca di Montalto, the Sala dei Viceré, the Sala di Re Ruggero, the Sala della Regina, and the Torre Pisana, which has housed the astronomical observatory since 1791.
I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said babe. I said babe.
Villa Bonanno is a villa located in Palermo, designed in 1905 and named after the mayor of Palermo, Pietro Bonanno. It is located in the Piazza della Vittoria, behind the Palazzo dei Normanni. Inside the villa, in addition to sculptures and lush palms, there are two Roman domus, which constitute an important archaeological area.
Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said babe. I said babe. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along.
The Cathedral of Palermo, dedicated to the Holy Virgin Mary Assumption into Heaven, is located in the ancient heart of the city. Built in the 12th century, it is characterized by an Arab Norman style, unique in Sicily. The church was commissioned by the English Archbishop Walter Rothe around 1170. It features Byzantine, Romanesque, Islamic, Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque and neoclassical architectural elements. It is the main Catholic place of worship in Palermo and the seat of the archbishopric of the same name. The cathedral houses the tomb of Emperor Frederick II, King Roger II and Santa Rosalia, patron saint of Palermo.
Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said babe. I said babe. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along, groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said babe. I said babe. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need.
The Palazzo Castrone Santa Ninfa is a valuable building of the 16th century located in Palermo, a few steps from the cathedral. It currently houses the MEC Museum, which boasts one of the most important apple collections in Europe.
And groove along. Come on. Said babe. I said babe. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling
The Church of the Santissimo Salvatore is a building of worship located in the historic center of Palermo. Built in Baroque style, the church faces the Cassaro street, today Via Vittorio Emanuele. It was designed by Paolo Amato and consecrated in 1704. Its dome, built in 1960, offers a breathtaking view. The church is counted as one of the 7 wonders of Palermo.
I said, babe, oh honey, come and groove along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on, rolling on the highway.
The Palazzo Drago ai Roldi of Santa Colomba is one of the most interesting historical residences of Cassaro in Palermo. Built in the 18th century, it became the property of Casimir Drago, President-Lieutenant of the kingdom's master executioner. It is considered one of the jewels of ancient Cassaro and is an important example of Sicilian architecture of the 18th century.
I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on, rolling on the highway. Wow, come on, and groove along. Come on, said babe, I said babe, oh honey, come and groove along. I said we got what you need.
Piazza Bologna, also known as Piazza Bologna, is a historic square in Palermo located in the Albergheria district. The rectangular square was structured in 1556, taking its name from the then regent of the Kingdom of the Two Sicilies, Don Carlo d'Aragona and Tagliavia, Prince of Castelvetrano, who wanted its construction. The square is bordered by several noble palaces, including Palazzo Belmonte Riso, Palazzo Aliata di Villafranca of the Beccadelli Bologna family, and Palazzo del Marchese Ugo delle Favare. At the center of the square, but moved towards Via Vittorio Emanuele, stands the statue of Charles V.
I said we got
The Quattro Canti, also known as Piazza Vilena, is an octagonal square located in the historic center of Palermo. The square is the center of the Baroque Palermo and is formed by alternating streets, Via Vittorio Emanuele and Via Maqueda, and architectural fifths. The facades of the four buildings on the sides of the square are decorated with statues, fountains, and depictions of the seasons, the historical rulers of the city, and the patron saints of Palermo. The square is also known as the Theatre of the Sun because of the play of lights that illuminates it during the day. From this square there are four districts, the historic districts of Palermo, each protected by one of the saints of Palermo. Good, we've come to the end of this video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and put a like to help us grow. See you next video.